Let's imagine we have a pile of Legos we want to build a house from, or a paper that is due tomorrow and we didn't even write a single letter yet. What if it was possible to just exit the room and while preparing a cup of coffee the pieces of Lego organized by themselves to the house and the words found each other to form the whole paper? Sounds like magic, right? But what if I told you that science could do it? While we can't see it with the naked eye, it is actually happening with molecules and even atoms. That is called self-assembly. It is the autonomous organization of components into patterns or structures without human intervention. Now let's break that down. Molecules can stick to one another in a way that forms ordered structures like donuts, spheres, and tubes. Those simple shapes then continue to rearrange to form more complex ones. But how do they find the right way to assemble? Well, inside the molecules, the information coded by shape, charge, surface, and mass contains the blueprint of the building. All the interactions putting them together are weak by themselves, but together they form a complex and stable building. When everything goes according to plan, self-assembly governs some of the most important functions in life. From DNA duplication and protein folding to beautiful phenomena like the changing colors of the chameleon. But if something goes wrong, it turns from Yoda to Darth Vader, forming harmful substances that lead to disease like Alzheimer's, cancer, and Parkinson's. If self-assembly is so widely used in nature, can we control it? And better yet, can we use it for our benefit? One field where self-assembly could come in pretty handy is tissue engineering. To grow the tissues, we need two components, stem cells, and a support that contains a lot of water and has a net-like system. The solution? Hydrogels. The best part? We can form them from short, cheap, and biocompatible molecules. So will any gel do? Well, no. Bone cells don't really like soft gels, so controlling the strength of the gels is very important. And not only strength, a bunch of other properties too. Nature has solved this problem by combining more than one kind of molecules together. In our lab we try to mimic this by forming co-assembled materials. Recently we successfully formed a hybrid gel from two molecules, which was stronger and more stable than each one of the pure ones. We predict that stem cells will differentiate to bone cells more easily on this scaffold because bone cells just love strong materials. If there is anything to take from this video, it's this. We are the product of self-assembly, atom to atom, molecule to molecule, and cell to cell. So if we want to understand how our bodies work and how to fight disease, we have to understand it. And when we do, we will be able to control it.